Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. In today's lecture of Unit 1, we will learn about synonyms. So, open page number 9 and let's get started. First of all, let us know what are synonyms. Synonyms are words that have the same meaning. Now let's read the poem on page 9. Value your true and closest friends. When they are down, help them to mend. Their trust do not betray, their help do not delay. Stick with them to the very end. Now let us look at the words highlighted in green. You can see that each highlighted word has a box along with it. First of all, let us look at the box with value. The word written in it is appreciate. This shows that appreciate and value have the same meanings and they are synonyms of each other. Now, the synonym of mend is repair. The synonym of betray is expose. Expose and betray have the same meanings. Delay means postpone and they both are synonyms of each other. And postpone can also mean delay. The synonym of stick is bind. Now that you know about synonyms, let's come to an activity. Use a thesaurus to write down more synonyms of the highlighted words. Try to write at least 3 to 5 synonyms for each word. Write them on a loose sheet.